Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am at the Downtown Sheraton Hotel in Memphis, Tennessee. About to embark on my day, and I was checking out the view from my window. I got a classic shot of the parking lot and State Route 72. No, that's from a James Taylor song, but I can't see much from here, but I see a pyramid for pro bass shops. Wow, never knew. Not sure the connection between bass and pyramids, but alrighty. First order of business is to get something to eat, and the van driver last night suggested Central Barbecue. I'll check it out and see if, I'm not sure if I'll eat there or not, but we'll just see what it looks like. Maybe take a look at the menu. But here we go. Memphis, Tennessee, Graceland, Graceland. Memphis, Tennessee, I'm going to Graceland. And you can see there's a few in my hotel room. A Bluegrass, Graceland, Memphis, Beale Street, percussion, brass, jazz, guitar. Maybe I'll even listen to some music tonight. And got another, you can see this in guitar painting hanging on the wall. So a music theme definitely going here in the hotel room. And in the bathroom even. Got some eighth notes going there. And I'm about ready to embark on my day. Oh, that's right. Embark. And embark I will. Okay, just coming out of the hotel here, checking out the decor and the Sheraton. I'm going to Graceland, Graceland, Memphis, Tennessee. I'm going to Graceland. Walking down Main Street, nice day, 85 degrees, sunny, and I probably should have brought my sunglasses. So here we are. See what I can find. One thing kind of strikes me though. Middle of downtown, Wednesday afternoon. Almost nobody on the street. Almost nobody on the street. Kind of strange. Let's see what we got down there. Church. And Federal Reserve Bank. Streetcar. Warm weather does feel good though. I'll tell ya. But here, what is it? April 10th. And it's already this warm, so I can imagine in the summer this would be piping hot here. But it feels good after being in cold weather for so long in Utah. There is the Kennan Center, which is what? Federal building. Okay. So we're still walking down Main Street. Well, bar. And I'm just trying to figure out where all the people are. Willie Moore's Family Restaurant. Kind of looks good. This is for Willie Moore's Family Restaurant here. I'm looking for a little more barbecue-y. Jefferson Trolley Station here. Let's see. Oh, some interesting photos on the wall. That looks like a busier time. Let's see. From Memphis, Tennessee. Personal pizza. Oh, Subway. Courtyard Marriott. It's kind of strange. Where are all the people? It's downtown of a big city, I thought. Nice little park here. I'm in a nice looking downtown area. But where are all the people? There's the trolley. Kind of reminds me of New Orleans a little bit. Neat looking building. Not sure what that is. I'll pass it and I'll tell you. Marriott Spring Hill Suites. And this neat little building. But people, where are all the people? And what have we got here? I don't know. A hotel. Looks like it might be a hotel, but it's hard to tell from the outside. United States Custom House, Courthouse, and Post Office. U of M. University of Memphis? I don't know. Just looking down the other street. Okay, so here's the map of the city. We're on the Mississippi River here. And where am I now? And we got a building here. Felicia Suzanne's restaurant. Peanuts. Interesting wall painting. Interesting. Oh, there they are. Yes, construction going on here, and in the meantime they've got the nice wall mural going up there. Looking back towards my hotel, that was China Bistro. Okay, Field Street over there. I'll head over that way in a bit. Orpheum Theater. Dome over there. Probably a political rally or something. Let's see. There's a little statue in town. Bobby Blue Bland. There's Bobby Blue right there. Singing the blues. Blues singer, greatest of all time. Ain't no love in the heart of the city. Further up the road, members only, 2 steps from the blues. What is this? I don't know.
Mother and sister putting this together. And just having him in your house.
Kind of a political gathering, yeah. So I'm a little off the beaten path here. Kind of leaving the downtown area to find this Central Barbecue place. Let's hope I'm going to the right place. Because 8 minutes. Hope I'm going to the right place. And a little rougher side of town here. Green Church. Happy Mexican. Looks like another radio station. 1340 WLOK. A family tradition. Straight on this. Another radio station there. Main Street Flats. I'm walking out of town. Out of my comfort zone. We'll see how this goes. National Civil Rights and the Lorraine Motel administration here. Anyways, Central Barbecue's right up there. I was just kind of accosted by a homeless guy asking me for money. It didn't seem like he was all fucking there, telling me to get out of this neighborhood, but anyways. So it looks like a tour bus may have landed here. Central Barbecue. Sure. Here's my menu here. I think I'm going to go for the brisket plate. Brisket plate, which is $15.75. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I haven't tried anything yet. The first impression is that the volume for what I paid is not that great, but we'll see how it's in trial cut. Alright, let's try it. The Lorraine Motel. And here I was at Central Barbecue right across the street. And motel. Is this where? Is this where Martin Luther King was shot here? Over here. Let me see if I can figure out what's going on here. The Lorraine Motel. Yeah, I've seen this before. Okay. I'm gonna have to. This thing, we should see what becomes of this tree. In this bright sunlight, I don't know if you can see this, but this is where on April 4th, 1968. Okay. So, 51 years ago. Here's a little bit about the Lorraine Motel, if you can read it in this bright sunlight. Memphis music rocks the soul. Blues Hall of Fame, Blues Hall of Fame, Blues Foundation, Blues Hall of Fame. Okay, now just as I walk back towards the hotel, a little word on the food at Central Barbecue. I wasn't that impressed. It was all right. I've had better. The brisket didn't have any crunchy little burnt bits of you'd expect with a barbecue Just looked like sliced roast beef. It was a ton of barbecue sauce on it. I wasn't that impressed, but I mean, it gave me sustenance for the rest of the day here. I am a man, I am a man, I am a man. Okay, so I guess this is the Orpheum here. Here we've got a Walk of Fame, Gladys Knight, George Carlin, Tom Jones. I guess these are the stars that have won, and I can't see through my viewfinder. Dionne Warwick, I met her on a plane one time. Jay Leno, Stephen Eady, the Mills Brothers, Callan, I don't know her. Barbara Eden, yes, from Bewitched. Sarah Bernhardt, don't know her, I know the name. Rufus Thomas, Tony Bennett, yes, of course. George Hamilton, Dick Van Dyke, Burt Reynolds, Duke Ellington, Carol Channing, Alison Krauss, Lover, yes. John Davidson, Piazza, Stacy Keach, Julio Iglesias, Steve Martin, yes, love him. Johnny Mathis, love him. Sheryl Crow, Harry Houdini, Dorothy Hamill, the skater, James Taylor, love him, of course. Gregory Peck, Robert Plant, oh yes, of Led Zeppelin, Cary Grant, Robin Williams, Sybil Shepherd, Bob Dylan, Robert Goulet, or maybe they're just friends of the Orpheum, I don't know. David Copperfield, Terry Pine, Tyler Perry, Isaac Hayes, Tony Curtis, Yul Brynner, B.B. King, Mickey Rooney, Football, George Burns, Richard Harris, Ray Charles, oh yes, Harry Connick Jr., Joe DiPietro, Marcel Marceau, okay, Andy Williams, Tim Conway, love him, of course, Al Holbrook, Sid Caesar, Burt Bacharach, Kenny G, Marvin Hamlish, and Lena Horne, of course. Coming up on, well, this is Beale Street, but I'm approaching the music section of town. There's King's Blues Club. B.B. King's Company Store. Beale Street. FedEx Forum, that's what that is, that dome is. I don't know who plays there, but so a little bit like New Orleans. Walking back up a different street, back towards my hotel. We got Hooters on the corner, of course. Oh, there's the stadium I was talking about, the dome. The AutoZone Park, Atlanta United 2. It must be, I don't know, AAA baseball or something. Yes, the Memphis Redbirds, the Memphis, okay, that party's over here. We got some horse and buggies over here. What hotel is this? I don't know. Nice day though. I'm walking up 2nd Avenue. I think I'm going towards my hotel. Looks like a government building here. Now I'm crossing through a little park in the middle of the town. Nice little park. Green area. Squirrels in the fountain. There's my hotel, the Sheraton down there ways. That was a good little walk, probably, I don't know, mile and a half each way, if not more than that. Since I took the circuitous route, probably about a 4 or 5 mile walk, but it has been fun. Like I said earlier, down by Beale Street there was some activity, granted, yeah, there was a lot of activity. But up here in the regular part of downtown, it's It's like ghost town. I don't know, it's like, is anybody doing any business here? Does anybody work in these offices? Does anybody go outdoors? It's a nice 85 degree day, clear sky, beautiful for a walk. Bridge over there that crosses the Mississippi. I don't know what that crosses. Does that cross state lines? I'm not sure. I have to look at a map. Usually the Mississippi is a state line border. Big old church down there. Some nice flowers right outside. I can't see the last thing outside the hotel.